About already, yeah man. Big saying want a pepper, so I'll see if we can find one for him. Yeah, give him this. Alright, Big Zaja one in a pot. Country within, you know, chicken ever open about them day and enough. See me now have nothing on me and I watch it. She run a come. Big up yourself, pretty girl. Yeah man, there's a history behind this chicken, you know. Yeah man, when she did younger, a friend of mine did this. I don't know him that, but he threw a stone and lick his mother and the mother did. Yeah man, and me just say alright, now take care of him. And funny enough, me growing from my shoulder, you know. Yeah man, growing from him little bit. Yeah man, so eventually she turned big woman, you know. But she still love me, whether me have something in my hand, yes or no. Yeah man. Another day, you know, giving thanks life as usual. You know me already. Yeah man, always I tell you, it's a blessed day. Most naturally, yeah man. But anyway, I want to send a special shout out to all my classmates. Yes man. And a special shout out to Mike, you know. Yeah man, give thanks bro. Yeah man. Remember that day when we eat the pear and whatnot. Pear and bulla. Yeah man, I forgot that day they see it. Yeah man, that pear seed there. Time to come, you gonna manifest to be something great in a real life, you know. So me can say yo, thanks to Mike for give me that pear seed there. Yeah man. It's a blessing man. Real blessing, you know. So soon I go on.
We are preach righteousness to Mr. Man. We always say right lyrics to our eye, you know.
Which is right. You know, just day up on a vibrant day, keep it vibrant, you know. Just giving thanks. Yes, countryside up man. It's a blessing.
Big up your
Said speed.
Happy New Year.
Yeah man, blessings every time daddy man. What they are and wherever keep it positive, you know. Yeah man, kinda rugged today but so life. We have to spread the love, you see me? One love, one heart. And we always keep it natural. It's the whole family. Yeah man, it's a blessing.
Man. Yes, but general, you don't know. I wouldn't make it a 5 bills a charge.
They are do the right thing, up and about there. Yeah man, so stay tuned. This is you know, Jamaica yard life for there, you know. You see me, I'm bigs there man, but we're not supposed to in high school, we don't know sure to see it. Yeah man, you know, blessings man, blessings, real blessings. Overcoming in the corner. You see me, the whole family there, see you.
Still a cook with goat and we white rice. Soup in a pot and it full up of spice. Cold dragon, cold red stripe. Entertainer at short from Mike. As Jamaican in the world we polite so Jamaican yard life.
Blessings every time. Yeah man, but you know the energy. I'll show you all exactly who is Ilsman. Yeah man, I know him as Johnny Nash, but Ilsman are the name for go make a yard life. Up and about, you know, I'm there with Gary and Briggy, you know. Real general living in a place, you know. Foundation. Yeah man, but you know me ever take it easy, you know. Yeah man, most natural.
Big up your
Said speed.
Happy New Year.
Yeah man, blessings every time daddy man. What they are and wherever keep it positive, you know. Yeah man, kinda rugged today but Jamaica yard life, I'm up and about today, you know. Yeah man, I'm there with National, family from National. Yeah man, my bad pan one day. You know the energy go. We ever have to spread the love, you see me? One love, one heart. And we always keep it natural. It's the whole family. Yeah, yeah man, it's a blessing.
Man. Yes, but generally, I don't know. I will make it a 5 bills a charge.
They are do the right thing, up and about there. Yeah man, so stay tuned. This is yard. We have to make do with what we have, and we have to do what we can when we can. It's a blessing.
That's not work, you see it?
Proper.
Lay tile and tin set. First. Give them a little freestyle. They say, yo, them tell you say money is pure evil, but when them work.
Shit sometimes, Rasta come a yard, you know. Yeah man. Right now I'm just do some tiling, steel work and
watch us
first.
Jamaica yard life 101. Big up.
Don't know, yo, we come and find steel work, you know, so now watch your rugged look, you know.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, not the end of the day for we, as long as work I go and work is out.
Alright, we have to hustle feet straight.
Yeah.
Easy, me. Yeah.
And work I go on, work is out. Yeah.
Which is right.
So you don't know, so that's how move there.
Straight.
Yeah, so all entertainer we sit down and depend on music. Yeah, follow music and if you're hungry. How we sound, you have to work. Regardless of being an entertainer.
I have to do something.
How we sound?
I have to survive.
You have to survive, brother.
Yeah,
so
man.
you can't sit down and depend on music, you can't turn DJ today and bust today.
Straight.
How me sound? You know, see that man lucky, so.
Alright.
Yeah, brother.
1-1, no deed, you know? Little.
You have to hustle every day. 1-1 cocoa full basket.
Straight.
Yeah, we don't know. Babylon has sent me with baskets the river. So you know that's something I go.
Can't get water.
How me sound?
Can't get water.
So you have to wise in a struggle, how me sound?
Yeah, man, you have to get up and do the right thing.
You make a little thing, hide a little thing, spend a little thing. How me sound? Yeah, give a little thing. In return, you can get back a little thing.
Alright.
You see what I say?
Blessings, man.
So all of them people that we chat a little thing, make them go and chat a bag of thing. How me sound? Just go and put on your little thing. So this workout and turn becomes your big thing.
Alright.
How me sound?
Them don't know nothing about our same thing.
Yeah, them don't know nothing about our same thing.
Trade.
Yeah, brother.
We there keep it positive, you know.
So while them think you're sinking, let them know you're rising, brother. How me sound?
Yeah, man. Me always
Yeah,
up on
that's
a boat,
right.
man. You see me? We not make the negative get we down, Rasta.
No time a negative, good boy. Hear me I say, mind over matter. Your mind is a powerful weapon. How me sound?
Straight.
So when you use your mind, you use it positive, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yo, let me tell you this. You say the things say, yo, people are doing things. You have to look like people are doing things.
Straight.
How me sound?
Most
So,
naturally.
basically, when you have a positive thought, brother, positive mind breed positive energy. How me sound?
Which is
Negative thought bring negative energy. So if you pray, say, yo, appear negative in your mind. When you touch the road, appear negative about. And you gotta tell yourself, say, yo, if you want salt, salt, brother, you bring that to yourself.
True.
How me sound?
Yeah, man. So that's
yeah.
do the right thing, man.
Some people cry out to God for help. We don't know. Some people try to help themselves. So me I say,
Just like that.
but I can say me a blast him still in there, but I don't believe in a God in the sky.
Church and that's how you go,
You're a God in you. Every man a God, brother.
Trade.
So me I say, let me tell you this. What you do on earth, you know, every man have the purpose, you know. The man will come for your work and garbage truck, that him come for you. Without him, with your rubbish can't move.
Trade.
How me sound?
Trade.
So when you say, yo, you is a powerful thing, brother.
Yeah,
So me I
man.
say,
Yeah, man. You have to look within yourself.
yeah.
Make that change within you and say, you know, no matter how the circumstances may be, today, me I gonna be a different person. You know, get out there and make a change. Yeah, man.
You know?
Yes, man. No matter what. Because me I tell you, once you plan to tread the righteous route or the positive route, me I tell you, the struggle not normal. But you can't make that get the best of you. Yeah, man. Because with every fight, with every door we lock, another door open.
Alright, win that, brother.
Alright.
Oh,
So you have to just know, say, oh, yeah, make new with that space, so just go through it. Yeah, man. Break the barrier. Get to youths, get up, get about, man, and do the right thing. Solid. Just like how they are chat and a vibe right now, and I keep the thing positive. You can do just the same. Yeah, man. You know, enough man now and sit down and easy back, but brother, that's the best thing to do.
Fire.
Yeah, man. Slow down. Appreciate life.
That's it.
Yeah. Appreciate life.
Oh, my son. Hey, New Year day about to look the same way. People are suffer, man are dead same way. We have to fight till it. Yo, we have to buckle up them youths and know what they serious. Them now play. The system rugged and hard. No money in my pocket, man, I starve, no food I had. Me couldn't even go on a dance, not even paper light. Me no string up for bling in a dark.
Yeah, man.
Country life.
Not like, yeah, this is me.
Oh, my son.
Yeah, man, and that's how we keep it positive.
That's how it is the world.
Alright.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Love yard, love life, you know?
So just like Christmas, I don't know, you don't bring joy to the world.
Yeah, man. Oh, Happy New Year to you all, yeah?
2021.
2021.
Yeah, me I say no. Them say 2020 in a cash party now, if you know, say 20 are sick, you know. So this is the year, or the last year we gone was a sick year. So imagine 21 is a bad year. So,
yeah, you do it good. Yeah,
So
we ever keep it vibrant, man. Most naturally.
we just go and keep a good spirit and watch and see what I go on.
True.
How we sound?
Yeah, man, because a whole lot in store now. Trust me. Yeah, man. We're just full of positive vibes, you know? Yeah,
To
man.
Babylon, them is it.
Cha-cha, no?
Watch, learn and look.
Yeah, man.
I want to see the changes.
Yes, man.
What they would have
most
said,
naturally.
transition.
Most naturally. We take it
so-
one step at a time, man. We never there for yes yet. Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Alright, brother.
How we sound? Some people say one day they must make it. Only ever left out night. Luck can come in at night.
Alright.
One day
Treat.
one night. How we sound?
Wait, hold on, man. Gilbert, it come here one night, you know. Yeah, man, and the body stand.
Them say people so poor at the church, them so royal. Them are just casual, we are just formal. Peer big ups and care for the pastors. While some of we are fear live like bastard. The church you worship in a pretty than your house. Or you figure the cheese go put in a rat mouth. You can't pay the bills, the light just went up. But as a reach in a church money you will fork out. Government tax everything, them not check church. I must have got them free that God, all of them curse. You know how much money them are making at the church. Them are rob the people and I put God first. Everybody dress up in high quality fashion. They shoes the hat and the skirt with the pattern. Them bush from head go straight to foot bottom. Me laugh when me see them is a sight for me look on. Pastor dress up in a long white robe. I drop on the ground and wash film clothes. They watch the ring the church make out a gold. The meek and the rich so a sin for we poor. Them tell you say money is pure evil, but when them worship them collect from people living at the hills and a drive their vehicle. No for sell drugs and a smoke all weed too. Pastors a walk with gun and when feel like you don't need no ice pick machine nor no big knife. From your wash with the blood that just protect your life. You know see a vampire them and with the sunlight blind and lead blind straight out in the sea. Me not baptized, church can't save me. Them a run them business under charity and a trick the people with psychology. Me a take it to the church, take it to the damn preachers. You know see a demon them a sleepwalkers. Pastors a fumbling son a touch him daughters. Well if you never know me tell you this for starters. Open the eyes, picture the world like television. The most freak in a church in a star and Batman, peer rapist, thief, invalid, Wobia man, Depan, hallelujah, them no know German. Everybody right now a actor, acting police and acting doctor, acting ballad, acting rasta. No for blaspheme, them just a play pastor. Tell them, everybody right now a actor, acting police and acting doctor, acting ballad, acting rasta.